Dear learners, how are you? I hope you are well. I am Chocho. Today, before taking class, I would like to introduce myself. I am Abdul Rashid, headmaster of Khashmotrapur High School, Dolokpur, Kushtia. Because of coronavirus, that means COVID-19, all the students are out of direct class. That's why we are obliged to take online class. So all the students are welcome to online class, Khashmotrapur High School YouTube channel. Today's topic is narration. I am going to discuss about narration. So dear learners, at first we have to know the difference between narration and sentence. So look at the blackboard. I am a teacher. It is not a narration, just it is a sentence. When this sentence belongs a reporting verb, it will turn to a narration, such as he said to me, I am a teacher. Now, he said to me, I am a teacher. It is a narration because I am a teacher. This sentence belongs a reporting verb said. I am a teacher is a sentence, but when it belongs a reporting verb said, then it is a narration. So the definition of narration is that when a sentence belongs a reporting verb it is called a narration. Okay. There are mainly two kinds of narration, direct narration and indirect narration. Now the question is, what is direct narration? Direct narration is the particular or actual speech or words quoted by a speaker is a direct narration. I repeat again, the actual speech or words quoted by a speaker is a direct narration, such as this is the example of an direct narration. Direct narration. On the other hand, when the sense speech or words quoted by someone of the speaker is a indirect narration, such as he said to me that he was a student. Now the question is, if we want to make a direct narration to indirect narration, we have to follow mainly four rules. By following four rules, we can change a direct narration to indirect narration. We can change a direct narration to indirect narration by following four rules, such as change of reporting verb to sense of person three sense of tense. Number 4, sense of some words. According to the nature of sentence, that means assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, optative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. This type of sentence, the reporting verb will be changed. If the reported speech is in assertive mode, the reporting verb will turn to told. If the reported speech is in interrogative mode, said to verb turns to asked. If the reported speech is in imperative mode, the reporting verb said to turns to requested, advised, etc. Such as I am a boy. This sentence is in assertive mode. That's why said to turns to told. He told me that he was a boy. The another example is he said to me, where are you going now? As the sentence written on the inverted comma is in interrogative mode, that's why the reporting verb said to turn to asked. Next, to sense of person. Next, sense of person. To. Dear learners, you know that there are three persons. First person, second person and third person, and depending on case every person has three forms: subjective form, objective form and possessive form. I is subjective form, me is objective form, my or mine is possessive form. The first person used in the reported speech. The first person used in the reported speech will be sensed according to the nature of reporting verbs subject. That means first person will be sensed to the subject of reporting verb. First person will be sensed to the subject of reporting verb. First person, that means first person used in the reported speech. Number two, second person will be sensed to the object of reporting verb. Second person used in the reported speech will be sensed to the object of the reporting verb. Number three, third person will be unsensed unsensed, such as she said to me I like you very much. Here I is first person and I will be changed according to the subject of reporting verb she, and you is second person, you will be changed according to the nature of reporting verb subject me. She told me that I will turn to she. She liked. You will turn to me. Very much. Number 3, change of tense. Change of tense. If the reporting verb is in present form, present tense, such as present indefinite form or present perfect form, the reporting verb will be unchanged, such as he has said to me I don't know you well. Here he has said is in present form. That's why the reported speech is in present tense, so it will be unchanged as it is in present form. Reporting verb is in present form. He has told me that he doesn't know me well. On the other hand, if the reporting verb is in past form, the reported speech will be in different tenses, will be changed in different tenses. To reported speech present indefinite will turn to past indefinite present, continuous, past continuous. In this way will be sensed. Dear learners, the rest of the class held on narration will be taken on the next class. Dear learners, I have a message for my students. Because of coronavirus, regular class is not possible, but annual examination will be held in a special way, maintaining social distance. So, I draw the attention all the students of Khas Matrapur High School, stay at home and study well and make preparation for the annual examination, which will be held in a special way. Thank you to take part on the online class.